We're out here at Amber Vista in Plano, Texas. That's under contract right now, and the new ownership is coming in. Really, the seller's done a great job with the exterior. You can see new windows, playground, covered parking.
Grocery store right across the street here in the property.
A lot of properties, you know, when you go see them, they don't spend much on landscaping, but this property, you can see that they've done a lot with, you know, crushed gravel, rocks, bushes.
Let's talk about the loan assumption on this one.
Yeah, so I mean, the seller put on a great sort of Fannie Mae fixed rate loan, still has a lot of term on it, you know, 8+ years on the loan. And so the new buyer's just gonna come in, assume that loan rates, you know, mid 3s right now compared to, you know, 5.5% to 6%. The loan assumptions are anywhere from 50-60% loan to value. Come in, raise a little money for the rehab, finish out the interiors. And then, I mean, in today's market, fixed rate debt, you know exactly what you're gonna pay for the next 5 years, 10 years, and then, you know, ride the inflation wave.
Right on.